the F-150. Now, the original reason that I started watching Tony's channel was for his car reviews. One of the biggest compliments I could give him is, although cars are what brought me to his channel, I keep coming back for his personality. And I think that's the biggest compliment that I could give him. And so, sticking with his car roots, I thought I would give you a video of a cold start on a 2018 F-150, which has a Borla exhaust. I'd like to thank Tony for letting me be part of his guest shaving series here. In just a second, we're going to get right to it. So I'll go over the products that I'm going to be using here. And I do say I do this slightly different than maybe most people do. So I'm going to be using the Executive Razor from Dollar Shave Club. And this will be the third time I've used this Media Mart approved product, the one blade, which I just use for hard to get places. And friend of the channel, you'll recognize this from FM Brush. Tony sent this to me a couple years ago, just because that's the kind of guy he is. Here comes the part that's different. I generally do not use shaving cream. I am a soap person. I typically would use maybe Ivory, something like that. Today I'm using, I'd like to say just because I'm a sucker for marketing, but it was cheaper. Go down in the description down below and let Tony know what you think of that. I rub the bar directly onto my face. And I should, just for reference, I guess, I shaved 2 days ago maybe. So I'm going to take some of my soap here, sort of rub it on the FM brush. And I'm going to try and, this I would not normally do. Let me say, just for the, keeping the spirit of the channel, and because, you know, so as I can say, I generally don't use a shaving cream, and I definitely do not use aftershave. I haven't used aftershave in probably 15 or 20 years. There's one thing that's Tony always says that's stuck in my mind is you're digging, not shaving. And I really don't put any pressure at all. And I really don't try and do more with the razor than it really wants to. The lower part of my neck is really sensitive, especially around my Adam's apple, which is where I usually use the one blade. And around my nose here, of course, that's really hard to get with a razor like this. I don't want to steal Tony's line, but you know, I'm not an average guy, I'm just another guy. And also, thanks to Tony, I feel the need to do 2 passes. I do maybe 2.5 passes. I really try and avoid doing anything to my neck here because I know it's really sensitive right around here. There's probably enough soap on the brush that I don't need to do this, but it's okay. And here's a fun fact. I have not shaved at the sink in probably 20 years. I typically shave in the shower. Now, if you check out the links in Tony's description, I'm sure you'll find, or his videos, you'll definitely find information on the 3D retro from FM Brush. And on the second pass, I would typically go, so against the grain, it's going to be like this direction. And right under here especially, I usually have to use the one blade. I don't really do 3 passes. I just kind of feel around for where I've missed. It's usually right under here. Or here. And at this point, I would grab the one blade and just kind of go over the parts that I missed. And that's pretty much it. I'm sure Tony will be back soon with his normal shaving videos after he finishes growing his beard.
M. Jones steps up and delivers a perfect cut for Sunday shave, which allows me to just chill out. Great job, Mark. You've been an awesome friend to the channel for a long time. I really appreciate it. Now guys, I will be getting back to doing some work. In fact, I have a nice cleanup with the King C Gillette edging DE safety razor, kind of inspired by my boy Dan Han with the King C Gillette products. And you guys know I'm a sucker for marketing, so I'm still picking stuff up. I'll be doing a review of this soon. This is Duke Cannon's new line of aluminum-free charcoal deodorants. So aluminum-free, I'm doing the research on why you want to switch from aluminum-based deodorants and antiperspirants to natural products that are aluminum-free. So once I get all the information, so I have the knowledge base to give you guys, so I'm giving you some knowledge, but there's some pretty compelling reasons to switch, guys, and ones you may not even think of. So I'll be doing a review of this soon. But again, a great Sunday shave from Mark Jones. Thanks, brah. And for all the fellas who stepped up, now there's still time while I'm growing the beard, guys. And I'm having so much fun with my time off. I may extend this. So if you want to highlight your beard, if you want to highlight shaving, if you want to highlight your Harley or your product, reach out to me, guys. Couple of different ways. The Media Mart at hotmail.com, or on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at the Media Mart, and let me know. All right, guys, get out and have a great Sunday. I'll see you all next time, which will probably be like tomorrow or the next day. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. And you see M. Jones? I've got the Ford hat on just for you, brah. I'll see you next time. A message from the Duke. And by the way, guys, a link for this product, as well as many of the products you see in my videos, will be in the description box below. So you can have these products shipped to you direct from Amazon, which helps you and it helps me. And that is a win-win.